where high-end magnesium headphone meet the evolution of in-ear design. Meet MK12 Turris, the world's first 12mm 91% pure magnesium diaphragm dynamic hi-fi earphones. Magnesium power, pure sonic evolution from the immortal Turritopsis dohrnii spirit. Inspired by 580 million years of resilience, MK12 delivers powerful and sub-bass extension, balanced blend, crisp treble, with enhanced higher dynamic and lightning-fast transient. MK12 features lightweight, durable, ensuring balanced airflow within the cavity. From paper, PET, aluminum magnesium, lithium magnesium, to 12mm 91% magnesium M-shaped dome diaphragm, achieving unprecedented lightness, rigidity, and crystal clear hi-fi sound. From standard internal to 1.5T external magnet design, enhancing higher flux, stronger drive, and superior stable hi-fi sound. With MK12, immerse yourself in a more pure and accurate sound with enhanced dynamic clarity like never before. Unlock 9 sounds genres via filters and ear tips tuning. One pair of hi-fi earphones. Multiply the fun with treble, balanced, bass, 10 Hz to 45 kHz wide frequency response, delivering deep bass, crisp highs, and balanced sound. Dive into the hi-fi world with 3 stunning color options. Plus, limited Gradient-Tint titanium alloy edition. Featured high-purity oxygen-free copper for low resistance and high conductivity, paired with a 0.78mm 2-pin plug, ensuring stable signal transmission. Ditch costly high-end earphones and in-ear monitors. Enjoy the world's first 12mm 91% pure magnesium hi-fi earphones.